Who would have thought the 2027 Hyundai Tucson could change this drastically? The Resta mod you're about to see today is no ordinary overhaul. It's a complete transformation that takes the Tucson to a whole new level. From a modern SUV to a bold work of automotive art, every design touch feels like a blend of futuristic technology and a truly unexpected creative twist. Get ready, because the end result might make you hard-pressed to believe this is still a 2027 Tucson. The 2027 Hyundai Tucson features a more mature and futuristic parametric dynamics design language. The front end immediately captures attention thanks to its large 3D hexagonal grille, creating a robust yet modern impression. The illuminated honeycomb motif with LED accents adds life to the look, especially under nighttime lighting. The sharp headlights with multi-layer LED projectors appear as if carved into the body, creating a bold and aggressive look. Meanwhile, the geometric daytime running lights, DRLs, on the lower bumper add an artistic touch and define this generation of Tucson's unique identity. The side profile features dynamic curves that emphasize its sporty character, combined with large, futuristic turbine-style wheels that enhance the premium feel. Thick fenders and bold body lines add visual volume, giving this SUV a more powerful appearance. The rear of the Hyundai Tucson stands out with a very modern and aggressive style, conveying a truly bold impression of a futuristic SUV. The body lines are precisely shaped, creating a wide and sturdy silhouette when viewed from behind. The LED taillights stretch wide with a thin and sharp design, creating a futuristic visual effect that immediately catches the eye, especially when illuminated at night. Lower down, the rear bumper appears very sporty, with bold black accents and a large diffuser, combined with a chrome-plated hexagonal ornament that resembles a dual exhaust. Although decorative in nature, this design conveys a high-performance impression. The rear spoiler, which blends into the black glass, provides an aerodynamic feel, while the body lines that rise from the sides make the rear look even more dynamic, elegant, and premium. The 2027 Hyundai Tucson offers a combination of features and performance that truly reflects the evolution of the modern SUV. In terms of performance, this car is enhanced by more responsive engines in both turbocharged gasoline, hybrid, and plug-in hybrid variants, offering smooth acceleration, strong power, and significantly better fuel efficiency than the previous generation. On the feature side, the 2027 Tucson is impressive with advanced technologies such as a wide, high-resolution infotainment screen, full smartphone connectivity, the latest generation of driver assistance, and a range of active safety features such as lane-keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and increasingly precise autonomous emergency braking.